Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make glide bait. To begin your glide bait project, first gather all your essential materials. You'll need a good piece of wood, like cedar or basswood, which is excellent for carving. Also, prepare your lead weights, strong epoxy, and all the necessary hardware. Don't forget your basic tools. A saw, some sandpaper, and a few carving knives will be indispensable. Having everything ready before you start makes the entire process much smoother and more enjoyable, setting you up for success. Now that you have your materials, let's start shaping the bait body. Begin by carefully sketching your desired glide bait profile directly onto your chosen wood blank. Think about the unique action you want your bait to have. Next, use a bandsaw or a coping saw to cut out the basic, rough shape. After that, take your carving tools and various grits of sandpaper to meticulously refine the body's contours. Aim for a smooth, hydrodynamic shape that will glide effortlessly through the water. With your bait body shaped, it's time for the crucial step of weighting and hardware installation. You'll need to drill precise holes for your lead weights. This is key to achieving the perfect sink rate and a captivating glide action. Typically, you might use 1 or 2 weights, each weighing around 1/4 to 1/2 ounce, depending on your bait's size. Securely attach screw eyes or wire through the bait for your hook and line connections. Finally, apply a strong epoxy or superglue to seal all these hardware points, ensuring durability. For the final touches, we'll focus on painting and sealing your glide bait. First, apply several thin coats of primer to create a smooth, even surface for your paint. This step is vital for vibrant colors. Next, unleash your creativity with acrylic paints to craft realistic patterns and eye-catching colors that will attract fish. Consider natural bait fish patterns or bold, contrasting hues. To protect your hard work and ensure longevity, finish with multiple layers of clear epoxy or a durable top coat. This will give your bait a professional, long-lasting finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.